So, my plan for today is to go to Tallinn and spend the night there. Hello. Somehow the weather is playing really nicely today. I was hoping for the sun, and I got the sun. Oh, it feels so nice. Finally, I'm like going further than Riga. I was in Cesis in June. That was like 2 hours 30 from Salvus. So it's like basically straight. And now I'm gonna go to the left in a while. And goodbye Riga. See you next time. In few days. And Latvia is known for its forests, farmland, and we don't have any mountains, only hills. The highest peak is a little bit over 300 meters, so basically that's nothing. Little tiny hill. Now here I haven't been on a motorcycle yet. Oh, and I also need to find a cafe or a restaurant or something to get some food a little bit later. But for now, I'm good. I ate some snacks in Circle K, like those little NOO sausages. No sausage. Tallinn, 288 kilometers. Wow. Feels a lot. Or maybe not feels a lot, but like looks a lot. How it's gonna feel? Who knows? Time will tell. So, here's the gas station coming up for a little break, and then continue on the road. Once again. Rimi. Latvia has loads of Rimi and Maximum. The road again, oh, the road again. Crazy Picasso. Let's go. I've never been to Tallinn before, so it will be a great experience to be there, and especially on a bike. Always riding in a car, everywhere. I've never been to Estonia in general much. When I was younger, I had a class excursion to one of the islands, Saaremaa, I don't know how they say it. The sea is just next to me. It's so nice. Oh, hello, Saladsgriva. And a huge traffic jam, at least on the map. Wow. So, Circle K coming up. Let's go. Still this queue is going on. Luckily I'm not in a car, so currently don't care at all. I remember that like around these parts, maybe a little bit forwards, there was this festival I was in 2018, the Positivos. It's a big thing here in Latvia. Yeah, I think somewhere here. Looks really familiar. Energy is the last city before I head into Estonia. So exciting. Ooh, ooh la la. Finally, I will be in Estonia. Let's see how that one goes. I also used to do some cycling when I was in France. The last thing that I did was in March. For my birthday, basically, I did 2 laps around Lake Hennessy. One lap is close to 40 kilometers or something. I never done any like long distance riding with bicycle, and like that one I did in roughly like 5 hours or so. Also, like in some sections you're going uphill as well. So it was quite challenging for the second lap especially. The first one was alright because I've done it already plenty of times. But yeah, like challenges are always great. They push you outside the everyday life and stuff. But like after those 2 laps, I thought to myself, oh damn, I'm gonna be wasted the next day. It was alright actually. I still had some work to do as well and everything seemed fine. Even my legs worked, which was great. Otherwise, I don't know. Hesburger. Do I want a Hesburger? Or a burger? Interesting. Oh, there's already energy. Let's fill up and get back on the road. Do I want a Hesburger? Good question. So, while filling up, I made a decision. I'm gonna go for the burger. I was considering Hesburger's tortilla with chicken, but like, I mean the beef. The beef could be nice. And also it had really nice reviews as well. Now there is the mission to find it. Ah, there it is, I guess. The little burger symbol. Yep. I thought it's in a restaurant. Like a bigger one. Like a proper one. Oh well. Good enough, I guess. Just had a really nice and tasty burger. Bacon and cheese and beef, and it was big. I'm glad that I made the decision to go there instead of the Hesburger. On the road again, on the road again, on the road again. Oh damn, 1.2 kilometers till the border. Woo! I just entered my Airbnb address, so 2 hours 20. So I'm gonna be quite late already. But hey, there's also tomorrow. Here we are. Estonia. Let's see if it's any different from Latvia. So far it's hard to tell. 50, 90, yeah. I mean the speed limits are the same. currently the plan is to get to the Airbnb, put all the stuff away, I mean the backpack and the rest of the things, and go for a cruise in Tallinn. By checking Google Maps I found a cliff west from Tallinn, so maybe that's the mission for tomorrow, get to the cliff, see what's going on. From what I read on Google, it seemed like Estonia is similar to Latvia in case of the motorcycle parkings. So basically, if I can trust Google, it said that I can park on the sidewalks as well for free, so let's see how that goes. Maybe I'll ask around someone. Or if I see someone parking with a motorcycle, that would be a good hint. So the question is, do I feel any different being in Estonia? No. Besides the signs, they're a little bit different. But if I don't see them, practically the same. Sweden also felt same last year when I was driving through. Ooh, open it up! I don't know what time is the sunset. July it was roughly 10 o'clock. Right now it's August, mid-August, I don't know. 9:30ish maybe. I need to look up, maybe I can get to the sunset. Actually right now it's getting hell of a cold. I need to stop and put something on. It really doesn't feel like a summer. And it's only like 6:30. So, some extra layers are on. Time to continue. The best part is that I haven't checked the forecast or anything. I just took my rain gear for the hope that just in case it rains, I have at least something. But yeah, I will see how it's gonna go. Today is just amazing. Arrived at a little town by the name Kusiku or something like that. Oh, hello sun. Definition of freedom. That's it. Amazing. Oh. 50 seconds. Oh, actually. Great. I made it. Just in time. Smells like fresh asphalt. And it actually I got hit with one of the rocks. go. Nothing. Yeah. "17-liter tank. The range is roughly 300 kilometers or so, and the consumption roughly 5.5. But this bike has already driven 62,000 kilometers, so not sure if it still holds true to that. Or maybe it does, who knows. Took a little stretch break. Now let's get back on the road. Half an hour left. Nobody. Let's go. What do we have here? Let's go chase the sunset. Welcome to Tallinn. What a grand view, right? With the sunset. Wow. It actually looks pretty decent. I like the architecture. And I really want to see the coast as well. So that's my plan, is to get to the coast and to see the sunset after I check into the Airbnb. And I'm hoping that I can get right next to the water as well. He's chilling. So, time to rush to the sunset. I think I found a place where to watch it. It's only like few minutes before the sun goes down. Let's go. Oh wow. Now this is special. Okay, this is really nice. So, sunset taken in. Now heading back, and then I need to find a shop as well. I need to get some water. Food I will worry about tomorrow. Tallinn actually has its vibe. Really cozy. And let's stop here again.